peace, gratitude, and highest heart love to you. All the children, all the loves of my life. The bear teaching. I wonder if the bear remembers all of his dreams and lives them when they don't sleep. Hibernation, nothing to eat, safe, comfortable, never on concrete. They grow by breathing all while they sleep. With love together, sleep for weeks. Now that's deep. That's nature and nurture. Such a harmonic state. Love true does not separate. The breath recreates the energy, it integrates and separates unharmonic from its traits to grow and survive, but not to worry at all. Love never separates love unconditional from itself. It stays together. Gratitude, love, Tara. Thank you so much. Tamika.